The economic impact of water scarcity is alarming, so reliable and efficient removal of solids from water has never been more important. I'm Mike Myers, Director of Sales here at Lyco Manufacturing. Our focus has always been on innovation to make better, more rugged, and the lowest maintenance screens in the market. We have over 31 years of experience and over 2,300 liquid-solid separation screens in the food industry. For pork slaughter harvest plants and further processing meat plants, Lyco has an externally fed screen that is ideal for applications with a lot of hair, fat, oils, and greases. The entire design has been built with precision, heavy-duty construction for both the main frame and main drum for the lowest cost of ownership. The Dr. Blade helps remove the solids from the screen, which makes this design very efficient. All of our externally fed screens are built with wedge wire, and the typical openings for these screens are between 20 thousandths to 40 thousandths openings. For total plant wastewater, we also offer our rugged low-maintenance single drum internally fed screens with cast and machine running rings. The main frame is built with a heavy-duty plate, resulting in the lowest cost of ownership screens on the market. We also offer an optional patented smart machine monitoring system. In 2023, Lyco's water reuse system saved customers over 3 billion gallons of water. We call this system sanitary zero maintenance screens, and these are ideal for in-plant applications. These systems come with a big return on investment. If you'd like to learn more about Lyco Manufacturing, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152.